Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to change keyboard layout in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Time and Language from the left side list. Go to Language and Region. Click on Preferred Languages to expand. Go to the language that you need. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Language Options from the list. Go to Keyboards. Click on Add a Keyboard. Select the keyboard that you need from the list. If you want to remove the keyboard layout, click on the three dots next to it. Choose Remove from the list.
That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!